was guiding it, tell me what's changed. I guess I had a hard time showing it at first, but baby, it's been that way.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my second video with Hush makeup, and if you haven't seen my first one, I will link it down below and also up in the corner here. This video today is a review of the Retro Love from Hush. It's a Bad Habit palette, but Hush sells a bunch of different brands. It is a dupe of the ABH Subculture palette. There's been a lot of drama and a lot of negative reviews of that palette. So if you're interested in seeing how this palette stacks up to the Subculture palette, keep on watching. Here is the palette. I know I definitely want to stay more in like the darker, smokier side. I'm gonna start actually with this color here, which is Flower Power. This is good. Sometimes it can get super pigmented right away. I'm gonna go in with this one next. That is Rock and Roll. And I'm just applying it pretty much in the same area, just slightly lower to kind of build the gradient effect. And just going in windshield wiper motions all the way from the outer to the inner. Next, I'm going to go in with Youth, which is this really pretty chocolatey brown. So this color is going to go slightly below the other two colors, more directly into my crease. And I'm going to keep it more on the outer half of my eye. I really want to go in with either this green or this green down here and deepen the crease even more. I think I'm going to go in with this one down here because it's a little bit of a warmer green. This is more of a blue green. And I'm going to try and keep my eye open as much as possible. And then go back in with the biggest fluffy brush that I used. So I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but after I applied that green, the crease got a little bit more muddy. It's not bad, and it's something that I can work with for sure, but it almost just blended into the brown that I had used. Yeah, it doesn't even look green. On this side, for some reason, it looks more green. It looks good, it just wasn't as green as I thought it was going to be. For the lid, I'm going to use this really pretty gold shimmery color. Before I apply it though, I am going to put a little bit of concealer down just to make sure it sticks to my eyelid. And I'm really packing it on, so there's probably going to be a little bit of fallout, but I'm not too worried about that. Look at how pretty! Yes. And barely any fallout, just a little tiny bit under here. Now I'm going to go in with the tinier brush and just blend out the edges. For the brow bone, I'm going to take this really light. It's almost like a white or a cream. And just barely pop that on here. This is not quite what I was thinking. It's almost like pink. Can you see that? It's really interesting. I want to do something for over here that's a little bit deeper. Let's try this. This is Nostalgia. Yes, that's exactly what I needed. Oh yeah. And then going in with the bigger fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with Youth. And then right under the lash line, I'm going to go in with that dark purple. Then going back in with the brush that I applied the brown with and blending it out. Apply some mascara. Oh, you know what? I forgot blush. Okay, to finish it off for lips, I want to do something dark, and I have the Mademoiselle Griselda and PMS, which PMS is brown and Griselda is like dark purple. I kind of want to do the purple. I think that might go best with the look. Okay, this is the final look. I love this. And this palette is incredible. I feel like they all applied well. The mattes were not too chalky. They were all very pigmented. And the shimmer shade that I applied to the lid is gorgeous. Let me quickly do some swatches for you guys so you can see. So this is the green that I didn't use. I definitely want to try and work with this one too. And then this is the green that I did use. And then let's swatch these two over here. So this is the green shimmer that I didn't use. And as you can see, it's really pretty. And then this is the color that I used on the brow bone. So in the palette, it looks more like a cream, beigey, almost tan color. But when you swatch it, it definitely pulls off more of a purple / pink. I'm just gonna do these two here. I am obsessed with these two. So here is the shimmer shade. And just look at that. Like, it's so true to color. And then here is the brown. And as you can see, a little bit of fallout. So here are the swatches. And as you can tell from the application, they blend it out amazingly and they look just gorgeous on the eyes. If you have any additional questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.